Did you know that nearly 44% of Americans don't invest at all? That's millions of people missing out on the opportunity to grow their wealth over time. And the consequences? Many end up relying solely on Social Security or struggling financially in retirement, but it doesn't have to be this way. Hi, I'm Joel, and today we're diving into why investing isn't just for the wealthy or Wall Street pros. It's for anyone who wants a brighter financial future. Investing can feel intimidating, but it's actually one of the most powerful ways to build wealth and achieve financial security. A lot of people think investing is only for the rich or believe it's way too risky. Others think, I don't have enough money to start, or I don't understand how it works. These misconceptions stop people from taking action. The reality? Not investing is often riskier than investing. Why? Because inflation eats away at your savings, and without growth, your money loses value over time. Here's the truth. You don't need to be wealthy to invest. With options like index funds and fractional shares, you can start with as little as $10. And yes, there are risks, but with the right strategy, those risks can be managed while your money works for you. So what can you invest in? There are plenty of options: stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, even newer options like ETFs. Let's break it down. Stocks. These represent ownership in a company. They can offer great returns over time if you're patient. Bonds. These are lower risk and provide steady income, great for balancing your portfolio. Real estate. A tangible investment that can generate rental income or grow in value. The key is diversification. Spreading your money across different types of investments to balance risk and reward. Let me share a quick story. Sarah, a teacher earning a modest income, started investing just $200 a month in an index fund at age 25. By the time she reached 50, her investments grew to over $300,000, thanks to compound interest. Sarah didn't have a high-paying job, but she had consistency and patience, two of the most powerful tools in investing. So, here's the bottom line. Investing isn't just a luxury. It's a necessity for financial stability and growth. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Start small, start now, and watch your money work for you. Now I want to hear from you. Are you currently investing, or are you just getting started? Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. And if you're ready to dive deeper, check out my video on beginner investment strategies. It's packed with tips to help you get started today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.